Welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and I'm so happy to have you guys here today. Today we're going to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This video is for Friday, March the 1st, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We're going to first start over in apparel and accessories. I found a bunch of different t-shirts. We have the Gildan brand, Fruit of the Loom. They had some of the Anvil brand and American Apparel. We have some tank tops with the razor back. There's a couple different colors there. We also have some with the red trim. Those were in blue. Those were the youth sizes. And then just some t-shirts that were oversized with the loose fit, and then the like swooped angled bottom there. We have some v-neck shirts as well. Lots of different sizes, lots of different options, all the way from extra small youth to adult medium is what I found this trip. Then we have some new spring hats out. The pink ones and the yellow ones are so cute. They have these satin white ribbons tied around the center. And then they have some new versions with this rainbow satin ribbon on the white hat. Here you can see how it changes colors, kind of like an ombre effect all the way around. And then the all white hat has this blue trim with these little blue tassels, which I thought were so cute. Then we have the La Di Da socks. These are the no-show socks that fit shoe size 6 to 10.5 with the lions on the front. And then if you see the back here, they've got like these little paw prints, but they are kind of like those little nubs on the bottom that make them no slip, if that makes sense. Then we've got some of the novelty socks, all restocked. As you can see, some of them are still in the packaging. They were still putting these out on the shelves, but lots of different versions. Here we've got like Pop cereal cheeses, Hershey's Kisses. They had the A1 steak sauce, and these, it says fits men's shoe size 6 to 12. They also have the New York peppermint patty, Yoo-hoo, the Twizzlers. There's the Pez, also the Kraft mac and cheese socks, and then Pringles. There's the Twizzlers. There's Chips Ahoy. We have SpongeBob SquarePants, the Reese's Cup, and then they also had the Cup of Noodles, the Heinz tomato ketchup. We've got Twinkies, and then the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So lots of different novelty socks out right now. And some new shopping bags that have all the different like fruits and vegetables on the front, and they're oversized. Now for the arts and crafts, they brought back the Resin Studio epoxy resins. You have to get the part A and the part B. You mix those two together. The one is the hardener. They also had some mix-ins with the different like sequins and glitter for those, and some of the new jewelry tools. They have the pliers that have all the different tops there. So some are more like a wire cutter. You have the needle nose pliers, and then the ones with the bent ends. Great for jewelry making. The DIY LED unfinished wood lighthouse and pirate ship. Those have been restocked. Then I found this new light. Looks like a star with a smiley face. I thought that was so cute, that you can DIY and make your own. Comes with the light and battery already, and they restocked the 3 different wood lanterns. Then we have these light up crosses that you can DIY, perfect just in time for Easter, and there's a couple of those out, different design on the front, or you can just get the wood cross stands, and those also come in a couple different versions. We have the wood hanging sign that's like a circle, it's like a 10-inch round. We have the square that's framed, and then the wood slices, which come in a couple different versions. We have the round, the rectangle, and then an oval that has the bark around the outside edge that looks pretty rustic. They're actually really cute. Then we've got these stacking boxes. There's actually 3 of them. They're all the same price, obviously, but those come in 3 different sizes. And then some new DIY signs. We have Wakey Wakey, Eggs and Bakey, Farm Life with the chicken, and then there's 2 with cows. One says Heifer Please, and the other one says Home is Where the Herd Is. And all of those have a 3D effect with the wood raised up. For baby and toddler items, we have these little battery-operated toys that play music and songs. You do have to put the batteries in them, and there are a couple different ones. There's like a guitar, piano, a radio, and then the little dinosaur with the wheels on the bottom. For the health and beauty, we'll first start with the cosmetics. They had some new LA Colors items. We've got the Nude Glam lipstick, some cheeky bronzer. They also had the Soft Glaze lip balm, and then we've got some liquid eyeshadow, the Jelly lip gloss, and the shimmer eyeliner in lots of different colors. We've also got these LA Colors Perfect Pair, so they match like the lip gloss with the nail color. They also had some that were the nail color with a coordinating glitter that you could put on top. There's a whole bunch of different ones there, like this one that's wink pink. You get pink with a light gold glitter to add to the top of your polish. For the hair care items, there wasn't a whole lot new. We had some new snap clips by Scunci, and those are the red and gray. There's a purple and pink pack and white and black. So you get 4 of the snap clips for $1.25. And then we also have the claw clips. These are a small jaw clip, 4 different colors, and there's 2 different cards of them. Also, these large claw clips, these are the recycled material claw clips. That's why they have a little bit of that kind of speckled look throughout. We have these scrunchies restocked. They had these out last year in the spring with this really pretty floral design. And now for the fun finds. All I really found this week in fun finds were these car hooks restocked. They had the ones with the little rainbows at the top. You get 2 for the $1.25. They also have the hearts and then the lemon slices. And the last one I found were the stars. And this can be found up usually by the register. I also found some more of these basket stuffers. It's like a microfiber towel. They're really cute. They look kind of like a lollipop. That's by Sassy and Chic. And it's like a makeup remover towel. They have lots of different colors. I love the way they packaged it. It's really cute. These would look really cute in a teen Easter basket. Over in the home decor this week, I found these new candles. They're in this cardboard kind of pop out at the end of the aisle. They are called iFly Smart. There's like Tropical Sunset, Cabin Fever, European Express, and there's 2 candles in each packet. They smell really good, so I encourage you to check those out. They also have these metal frames back in the gold and the black. There's the hexagon and the circle, and they fit a 4x4 photo. Next up, we have these little decorative knobs. They have these from time to time. They don't really change what they look like, but you get the decorative glass. There's a white one, one that has like a light blue color. There's also pink. These glass votives are one of my favorite items I found this week. They're so pretty. The pictures don't do them justice. They have a lot of this really pretty light that bounces off of it, and the color changes as you move it. So I think it would be really pretty with a candle inside. We have some new hanging art. We've got the Home Sweet Home. This hangs vertical, so there's 3 little cardboard or like mock wood sign with the pictures on the front, and then at the end you've got the tassel with some beads, and it has of course the hanger at the top. And now for the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, we have some computer paper with the decorative edge. There's the cheetah print and some new floral. You get 24 pieces of copy paper, and it's 8.5 by 11. And a bunch of new books. They have like The Mermaid, Mrs. Hancock, Blood Orange. There's Mercy River. And then this one is Ron Rash in the Valley, The Power Couple. And TBH, I feel the same. Over in Housewares, Home Maintenance, Storage, and Organization, they put out these new multi-purpose cleaning wipes. You get like 80 wipes, and they are lemon scented. It's a huge container, nice size wipes. I also found some more of these essential baskets, the wire ones, and the new colors that they have out, the pink, the light blue, green, and gray, and black. The Scott's 4 chair glides, those are restocked. Some more of the decorative baskets with the floral cutouts. I just love those so much. They have them in the coral, the light pink, the blue, and the light gray. Lots of storage baskets there. Over in kitchen and pantry, they have these gorgeous plastic bowls with the tulips all around the outside edge. I thought those were so pretty. I also found this large pack of 50 bubble tea straws in a bunch of different colors, and you can see the dimensions there, and here's what they look like. You can see they're quite large. They also had the Carry Fruit Apple Unsweetened pouches. You get 4 pouches for the $1.25 price point. Now for the party supplies, we have these spring service set. They've got the spoons, forks, and knives with the decorative handles, which coordinates with the decorative plates. These are plastic. I believe you get 4 plates. No, it's 6 plates. I'm sorry. You get pink, purple, the light blue, or yellow. And then they had the paper plates as well that have the spring collection with the flowers. Those are the square plates. Those are the 12 plates that are 9 by 9 inches. They also have the Happy Spring. Those are also 9 by 9, and you get 12. They have coordinating napkins. And then the Farm Fresh Flowers, it says Hello Spring, or you can get the 14-pack of the guest napkins with the pink and white gingham. They have this new garland, which is the tulips made out of felt. It has a little bit of stuffing in the tulips, so they don't lay completely flat. I thought those were so cute. And then the floral leaves banner. You can put these like around the table or a doorway. So cute. Now for the seasonal items. They had some of the gnomes that look like bunnies. They have pink, purple, green, and blue. Some DIY wood pieces. We've got the chick hiding in an egg. There's this little truck with the bunny and the carrots. It has a piece hanging from the wheels that says Easter Bunny. There's the whole thing together so you can see it completed. We also have the decorative crosses. That flower piece in the middle is a 3D effect, so it's raised up off the background. And then the Happy Easter signs, the word Easter and the bunny also is raised up off the background there. And those are quite large. You can see in the front of the cart, it covers almost the whole basket area. Then we have this little bunny, which was new. And then the bunny hopping away. We've seen this last year. And there's the carrot. We've got the stuffed bunnies back in the brown and in the white. The extra large bunnies that snap together like an egg that you can fill. Those are in yellow, blue, pink, and purple. Some new bunny ears with the rainbow headband. And then the bunny fabric gift bags. You get 2 pieces. So there's 2 of them. You can get this one with the chevron pattern on the ear, or they have the pink ears with some white decorative patterns all the way down to the bottom there. And they do have a drawstring at the top. They also have these new signs that say the hunt is on. I love the beaded hanger and then the eggs at the top with the bow. There's lots of detail. They also have a carrot one. It says carrots for the Easter bunny. And then the peeps, it says you are some bunny special. They also had welcome to our carrot patch with the blue truck, the bunny and carrots in the back, and welcome to Cottontail Farms with the pink truck. They have their candy dispensers. The pink one looks like a bunny. The blue one is an Easter egg. Those usually sell out really quickly, so if you see them and think you want them, I wouldn't hesitate to get it. Also, the garland, you get 50 feet. And we've got these novelty glasses, which were new. Sparkly peeps. We've got the sparkly Easter bunny ears in the blue, the white and pink. And then there's also the pink. It's like the solid pink with the white center for the ears. We have a table runner. It's 3 feet long, felt, cut out of the purple felt. You got the flower cutouts down the center. Some new felt stickers. You get 6 pieces. The ears are pink, blue, and purple. They had carrot felt stickers. The Easter eggs, you get 6 of those. And then they had the whole bunny. And again, those are pink, blue, and purple. You get 2 of each color. You can see the center of the ears and the tummy are different colors. And it does have the adhesive already on the back. Some little stuffed fuzzy friends. We've got this bunny and this little peep that was new. And now for the toys, games, and puzzles. So today I found some of those little tiny characters like SpongeBob. We've got the Transformers. They have like Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. And then some of the Power Rangers. There's the sparkly, glittery ducks. They're called Dazzle Ducky. They usually put these out around early spring. They also had their hula hoops in a bunch of different sizes. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus, which is the $3 and $5 section, they have these large stuffed animals. They kind of feel like a Squishmallow. They have this new pink dinosaur, the green dinosaur. They're so cute. And for $5, it's a really great price. They have a whole bunch of different like dragons. They even have an axolotl, monkeys, really cute turtles, a whole bunch of different ones. For spring, they have out this little frog with the Easter egg bow tie. Here's his legs with the stuffed feet. They also have some bunnies in pink and blue. Those are $5 each. A large chicken. It says for someone special with the gift tag. We have a table runner, which is 13 inches by 72, and it has some coordinating cloth napkins, which I showed you guys last week. A whole bunch of packs of these socks for $5. They had Ted Lasso, Avatar, The Last Airbender. So you get 6 pairs of casual crew socks, fits shoe size 8 to 12. And on the back of the packaging, it shows you all the socks you can get. There was a Friends pack as well. These came from Walmart. They're like $10 at Walmart. There's also this DIY wood crate for $5. And then here's the measurements on the tag. It says it's 13 by 8.7 inches. They also have some new Easter signs out, like our nest is blessed. Hippity hoppity with the Easter bunny. It's kind of covered in like a sweater pattern. And then we've got that cute little bow in the center. And then the floral that says Happy Easter. And then these large wood cutouts that you sit on a shelf. Every bunny welcome. Bunny treats. And Happy Easter. And those are only $3, which is shocking because they're quite large. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.